Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I am going to do another one of those black magic pieces. So this is the one that I did before. Sorry for the glare. And I love it. And I thought I would do one that's more sunflower inspired this time. So we'll try. This time also I am using Bond Craftor resin, their Epoxy 1-to-1 resin. And I've got those glass crushed glass beads. And this time I thought I would do gold and green for the sunflowers. And so I've got a nice paste there. I've decanted 5 grams over here, total of 60 grams that I mixed up. And then I just decanted a bunch to put in each one of these. The temperature of my resin is sitting around 33 degrees. And I am putting 1 whole drop of Julie's Bloom Paste in here from Pouring Your Heart Out. And that's where we're at. I'm gonna get my little stick. I'm gonna mix this up and then put it aside and let it continue to mix and amalgamate and do its thing. And for my alcohol inks, I'm gonna use lemon and mango. I thought they would work really well together. All right, so I will put you on fast forward while I do this. While I'm filling the edge of my mold with this crushed glass, I want to say welcome to everyone. Welcome to Talent Tuesday with Marie Louise and myself. And if you haven't checked out Marie Louise, she's an amazing artist who is nature inspired, and her video was just before mine. And if you missed it, I will have the link in the description below. And stay tuned at the end because I create more of these and show you the final pieces. Okay, we're back. And I am pouring the rest of my resin into the center. And then I'm going to put my alcohol inks in there. And I'll give my white a quick mix. And we'll be ready to roll. Give this a quick torch. Okay. Oops, wrong order. Okay, so I'm gonna put the mango in first. I'm gonna do 2 drops of the mango. And then I'm gonna follow it up with 2 drops of the lemon. And both of these are by Decor Rom. Let that do its thing, spread out, come back in. I thought it would be really cool to do that because that'll push that darker yellowy orange out to the outside and keep that center nice and bright. That is my thought there. And I just want to do a little itty bitty bloom. Okay, so before I get started, I'm gonna do a little, so I'm avoiding torching where that alcohol is at the moment. I think we're pretty good. Here we go. I'm making my flower too big. All right, I need to stop. Stop, stop, stop. Not too much left in there. Now you all know what comes next. Grab my stick and I guess maybe I'll start from the outside here. This just kind of allows you to draw the petals a little more. And I'm gonna wipe that off. I wiped off the end of my stick because I didn't want that dark yellow in the center where I have the bright yellow. All right, and now we're gonna do the swirl. Actually, let me just bring that out a little more. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna do a little swirl. I don't want too much of that white in the center. This could be a little better. There, and that's it. And I'll be back when this layer is cured, and I will of course take pictures along the way so you'll see how that resin moves. I will not torch this probably till it's been sitting for at least 20 minutes, and my heat mat is off. This is cold. And again, I'll probably turn this heat mat on in about 45 minutes to an hour. I might wait a full hour because this is the Bond Craftor resin and it'll probably take just a little longer for it to do its thing. So I'm gonna wait the full hour. I'll set an alarm, then I'll turn my heat mat on, put it on high for 2 hours, and then it'll be cured. All right, see you when it's done. It's demolding time. Hopefully we got something good. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. It is good. Oh, look at that. I love it. I do wish the ink had been a bit stronger, but really, that is just so awesome. Bring it in. Yeah, it just floats in that black, doesn't it? It's gorgeous. Okay, well, thank you so much for being here for yet another Kim's Art Alchemy video. And if you like what you see, make sure that you're subscribed, hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Oop, I'm back. So the first 2 pictures here are the finished results of the yellow, but then I also did orange and green to complete the set. And at the very end, you'll get to see them all completed. Don't they look like little fairies? Let me know in the comments below.